Hello there and welcome to another edition of Fox Focus. I'm Andrea Williams and this is Case or No Case, where we test your knowledge of the law. I'm being joined by my friend Jeff Pitman, who puts the P in PKSD Law Firm. How are you?
I'm doing great. How are you?
It's always good to see you. I'm good.
It's good to see you. This is my friend Steve Burrows.
Hi,
He's a
Steve.
guest on today's scenario.
All right, Steve, I know you're a fan of the show, so we've got you here to help us out.
You ready?
Yep.
Okay. All right. So you are driving along, okay, and you get rear-ended by another driver, okay? You guys stop, get out, exchange information. You don't feel like you're hurt, right? Your neck doesn't hurt, no back pain, nothing. And you decide not to call the police to report the accident. And you're probably not going to report to your insurance. The other driver said, I'm just going to pay you for the damage to your car. Next day, you wake up, you got a serious neck pain, all right? No, you didn't call the police the day before. You said you weren't going to report it to your insurance. Is there a case against the other driver?
I think you have a time period on reporting it, so I'm going to say there is a case.
Steve?
I'm going to say no case.
There's a case. Doesn't matter whether you call the police or not, all right? If the other driver rear-ended you and it's their fault and you are injured as a result of that, you have a case against that other driver.
There it is. To find out if you have a case or no case, just dial the 3s, 333-3333 for the PKSD guarantee.